BHA, 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 BHA.
May I now request the PHA corporate video to be played by Ms. Elizabeth, Regional HOD Rooms Division and PR Head South, IIHM Bangalore, and Executive Member, PR and Media, PHA.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am. First, we would like to play the corporate video. So before that, just like to talk about what is it all about. So Professional Housekeeper Association, we call as PHA, is a non-profit organizations which aim to empower and inspire the housekeeping fraternity and future housekeeping professionals in India. Our association was registered in Bangalore on 16 Feb 2015 and launched on 21st May 2015 under the leadership of Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj, who is the founder, president, and chairperson. Our mission is to provide an active platform to holistically synergize the housekeeping workforce and budding housekeeping professionals by facilitating practical and innovative solutions, guidance, and knowledge sharing through rigorous networking and interactive initiatives. Since our inception, we have grown steadily and expanded our reach to other regions of India. We have launched in Telangana, Delhi, Goa, Kerala, and so on, and more to come. So we would like the AV team to please play the corporate video.
PHA, Professional Housekeepers Association, synergizing housekeeping fraternity. How a journey of many minds started. Professional Housekeepers Association, PHA, was formed in Bangalore on 16 February 2015 under the guidance and leadership of Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj along with other like-minded professional housekeepers. Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj is currently the founder, president and chairman of PHA. The team brings their diverse experience to PHA so that the existing and new members can benefit from their ideas and outlook. PHA vision: to instill a sense of pride, comradeship, knowledge and professionalism among the housekeeping fraternity and future housekeeping professionals. PHA mission: to be a non-profit organization that provides an active platform to holistically synergize the housekeeping workforce and budding housekeeping professionals by facilitating practical and innovative solutions, guidance, and knowledge dissemination through rigorous networking and interactive initiatives. PHA main objective is to provide common platform to its members to communicate outside their immediate circles and forge alliances. PHA facilitates relevant contacts with colleagues, restaurateurs, hoteliers, facility managers, academia, and other similar persons or entities. PHA helps to meet and interact with other members so as to advance in one's career or assist his or her organization. Being a member of PHA, members can acquire relevant tips, seek advices from experts, and receive feedbacks regularly to generate more ideas. The Executive Committee or panel approved by PHA will conceptualize, create and develop standards in the housekeeping industry. PHA acts as evaluating body to certify and approve vendors, consultants, educational institutions, including their products, services to housekeeping and cleaning industry. PHA supported FHW in conducting panel discussions, competitions, etc. since its inception. Knowledge sharing sessions at Bangalore and Mysore, breast cancer awareness programs, social activities, and eco-friendly and waste management by BBMP. Also conducted factory visits to Lenin Tour, cleaning agents, and chemical visits. Telangana chapter launch on 27th August 2016, Delhi chapter launch on 10th March 2017, and proudly launched PHA Goa on August 17, 2018.
The sound of PHA. Welcome home, oh people. Your time here is grateful here. You'll feel great to be here. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
We treat you with smile, you stay moving in style. We do in the crowd, this is our life.
Yeah, hey. It's a rocking career, hey, hey. Rounding relations in your hey, hey. Run the clock on the
Had the privilege to be invited as a special delegate by SICA, South India Culinary Association, HPMF, Hotel Purchase Managers Forum, and CCD, Compact and Commercial Design. PHA attended the FMI Facility Management International Conference at Bangalore. PHA supported IHE, International Hospitality Expo at Bangalore and Delhi. PHA had the privilege to inaugurate the South Chapter of Hospitality.
PHA. PHA.
अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम्.
A wise personality has aptly said, a housekeeper is called so because miracle worker isn't an official job title yet. It's indeed a pleasure to welcome you all to this august gathering of eminent housekeepers and industry professionals.
It was my dream from past 1 decade. That time PHA was not even born. We were only Southern Housekeepers Club, meant to be in only South and part of Indian Housekeepers Club. Ever since that time, it was my dream that we must have a genius, a wonderful leader like Mr. Vikram Kota.
But I don't think hospitality has changed like that post-pandemic. I mean, the core of hospitality is still the same.
And I always wondered, is this a separate breed of people that has such a great eye for detail? And I think the greatest challenge that is there in front of all of us today as hoteliers is how should we keep this breed of people going on? How do we create these legendary housekeepers again? How do we ensure that there's continued interest in the housekeeping department?
Our mission is to provide an active platform to holistically synergize the housekeeping workforce and budding housekeeping professionals.
We are launching PHA for Excellence Award today. So this is mainly for the life members right from the day one who is with us and extending their unconditional support, because of which today we are here.
We are all always very well placed. It depends on individual how you present yourself.
It's such a great thing, which we could never imagine that all of us will be in the same place at the same time. Jayshree, thank you very much.
And our profession is never ending. And it is always boosting up and up. And all that we can do for the younger yuva is to bring them up.
Because the hotels, hospitals, industries, they leave a lot of load on the environment by usage of the chemicals and machines, noise, and even materials. My only request is that please consider to reduce the load on the environment.
Many years back, we sat in a coffee shop over a cup of coffee and we spoke about visions of PHA. The coffee went cold, but the idea remained hot.
I mean, I must say so far the experience is very enriching. We have seen best of the industry practices. We've seen the most advancements and upcoming technologies in our industry.
About systems, but in order to integrate all of this, the most important thing is required is smart innovations in human resources.
Robotic is something, it's a great solution, yes, but no robot can replace a human for sure, but it can reduce our work pressure.
India has got only 28 trees per person. China has got 146 trees per person. Canada has got 9,000 trees per person. With climate change already at our door, if we don't increase our green cover, we have a lot of problems. Thank you.
PHA Kerala chapter launch and KPHA annual meet was held at Gokulam Convention Centre, Kallur, Cochin. More than 150 housekeepers across Kerala attended this event. Delegates from PHA, Kerala Engineering Forum, and Kerala Purchase Managers Forum attended this event. PHA Founder President Ms. Jayashree Nagaraj launched PHA Kerala chapter. On November 24th, 2023, PHA Yuva Kerala chapter was launched at St. Joseph Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pala, Kottayam District, Kerala.
Housekeeping profession gives very fast career growth.
And the career growth starts right from being a supervisor to moving on to much higher roles.
How to get the job, let's focus on that. Hotel, hospitality resorts are right out there.
More than 150 Yuva members from various hotel management institutes across Kerala attended this event. Delegates from PHA Pan India and PHA Kerala chapter members also attended this event. For successfully working towards growth of housekeepers since more than 3 decades, Ms. Jayashree Nagaraj was conferred Visishta Seva Ratna Award during Toratori Impactive Day at Karnataka Engineers Academy, Basveshwanagar for her extraordinary service in housekeeping fraternity.
I request you also all to be with us, bless us, and be with us. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
PHA! PHA! PHA!